Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious bacon wrapped jalapeno popper stuffed chicken. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by roasting our jalapenos. I'm going to be making 6 chicken breasts, so I'm going to be using 3 jalapenos. And make sure that when you pick them, you pick the biggest ones. And we're just going to roast them. Okay, so once our chiles are fully roasted, we're going to transfer them to a Ziploc bag. Make sure you seal the bag. Okay, so we're going to allow them to sweat for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can make our cream cheese filling. Okay, to make our cream cheese stuffing, we're going to be mixing 7 ounces of whipped garlic and herb cream cheese. Make sure you get all of that. We're going to be adding some bacon pieces. Oops, not that. Along with some Mexican style blend cheese. And you add as much as you want. I'm going to only add a little bit of black pepper and just mix it all together. So once we have that ready, we can set it to the side and just wait for our jalapenos. Okay, so after 10 minutes, we're going to peel our jalapenos. Just open my bag. Okay, so once we have our jalapenos, now we're ready to cut them in half. Okay, so we're going to remove the stem, cut them in half, and then remove the seeds. Okay. And once we have our jalapeno like that, now we can get ready to stuff it. And make sure that you fill up the whole jalapeno. Okay, just like that. Do the same to the other side. And repeat the same process to the rest of the jalapenos. Okay, so as we have our jalapenos all nice and stuffed, we're going to set them to the side and work on our chicken. Okay, to prep our chicken, we're going to grab our chicken breast and cut it in half. Okay, so now we're going to grab plastic wrap, place it on top of our chicken, and we're going to begin to smash it down. So we want our chicken breast to be as thin as possible. Okay, so as we have our chicken breast all nice and flat, we're going to repeat the same process to the rest of our chicken breast. Okay, so once our chicken breasts are nice and flat, now we are ready to season it. And I'm going to be using my favorite all-purpose seasoning. Of course, if you want to just season it with salt and black pepper, you can do that, but just make sure that you don't add too much salt since the bacon, it's already salty. So just season it. Going to also add a little paprika and a little black pepper. Just press it down, flip it over, and do the same to the other side. Okay, and once we have it, we're going to grab our jalapeno popper. Face it down, and we're going to begin to roll. Just like that. Okay, we're going to grab 2 pieces of bacon and wrap the chicken breast with the strips. So just make sure you go to the edge and wrap. Then go back, grab the other bacon strip, and continue rolling it. Okay, so once you get to the end, make sure that you tuck the bacon, like that. Okay. And just like that, we have our chicken breast. Now we're just going to repeat the same process to the rest of our chicken breast. Okay, and once we have our chicken breast all nice and wrapped, now we are ready to begin cooking. Okay, so I'm going to be using my air fryer to cook my chicken. We're going to preheat it at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And if you don't have an air fryer, don't worry, you can bake at 400 degrees for 55 minutes. Okay, so once it's ready, we're going to add our chicken breast. And I'm going to cook 3 at a time. So now we're just going to put them back in and allow them to cook. Okay, so we're going to turn our chicken breast. Just be careful not to squeeze it so you don't get the filling out. Okay, so put them back in. Okay, and once done, we can get them out of the basket. Place them on your plate. And we're going to cover them with foil. Allow them to sit for 5 minutes. And we're just going to put in the rest of our chicken breast. Okay, so we're going to put them in and repeat the process. Okay, and once all of our chicken breasts are done, we can remove them from the air fryer. Okay, and after 5 minutes, we can now get ready to enjoy our delicious bacon wrapped jalapeno popper chicken breast. Alrighty guys, and once you get ready to serve, of course you can serve it with your favorite sides. I'm going to be serving it with some green spaghetti and some vegetables. And now we can get right into the fun part. So cut your chicken open. And enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super delicious. It's so flavorful, and always feel free, to add anything else to your stuffing. You can get creative, add spinach or anything else. This is really fun and super delicious. And like I said, you can always bake them in the oven. It's just going to take a little bit longer. I have done it in the stovetop, but for me personally, it just didn't work. Like all the stuffing comes out, and that's like the best part of the whole chicken. So you want to keep as much stuffing as possible. But yeah, so I am so ready. So hope you give it a try. Cheers and enjoy. The best part. Super delicious, so flavorful. The cheese, the jalapeno, everything is so good. And fun fact, I'm really not a big fan of the air fryer, but it's a win-win. So good. The chicken is not dry. It's not overcooked. It's just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious bacon wrapped jalapeno popper stuffed chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.